Boom shakalaka, what is going on, everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love, and today we have a trading tip. This is about support and resistance, one of the most basic forms of technical analysis, something that some people base their whole entire trading strategy on. So we're going to go into support and resistance. Before we do, just want to say thank you to everyone subscribing. Thank you everyone and nuking the shit out of the like button. Guys, if you want to win one of your shirts, make sure you comment on this video and every other video to enter for your chance to win. And let's get into things. Now, oh yeah, also read the disclaimer. Don't be a dummy. Duh. So, taking a look at things. Support and resistance. Now, to give you an idea of what support and resistance are. Support is when there are buyers waiting to prevent the price from going any lower. Resistance is when there are sellers waiting to prevent the price from going any higher. Now, you can go take a look at the order book and try and figure it out from that. But a much more simple method for doing it is just drawing horizontal lines on a chart. Now, generally, daily charts work well. Sometimes if you're doing faster trades, maybe you could try, 4-hour charts, hour charts like that. Or if you want to get like kind of long-term trends, find real areas of support and resistance, you can do the weekly charts. So that'll give you a better idea, especially if it has a few market cycles in there. Now, this is taking a look at EOS and Bitcoin comparative on Bitfinex with the dollar candles. All we've done is these white lines here using the horizontal line tool. So you go on the left of TradingView up here, you click on this menu, and then you scroll down and you select horizontal line. Then anywhere you click, it'll just place a straight horizontal line. Very nice tool to use. But what you're going to do is you're going to place these lines at areas where we see a change in direction and price. So starting from the bottom, we have a bottom of a price coming up here, going up to a top of a price here. So let's look at areas where there are changes in the price. So we have the price going up. Here's one here. Didn't place one there. But right here, okay, we have another change in price. So I put a horizontal line here. Well, if we take a look, right there is resistance. Okay, because the price is going up, there's resistance, which means that as it's getting there, more people are selling at that price. Okay, so the price turns around. Well, here it acts as resistance. But if we go further down this line, look, it becomes support. Okay, the price is coming down there, and then it stops and it starts to go back up. And then if we look here again, it's resistance, and here also it's resistance. Okay, oftentimes support and resistance change back and forth. So previous resistance becomes support, and previous support becomes resistance. Now, let's take a look at another one. So we dip down and then go back up, and we have some more resistance right here. Well, it's resistance here, but then right over here, it ends up being support. And then also right here, it ends up being resistance again. Okay, we continue going up, and we hit a little bit of resistance right here, which ends up being support, resistance, resistance. So we go back and forth between support and resistance. And then as we are coming down, I think some areas where we didn't hit yet, right here, we have some support, which was, a little bit of support here as well, and resistance there. So we see resistance and support going back. Well, how is this useful? Okay, you can actually base your whole entire trading strategy off of just buying around support and then selling around resistance. Now, a smart man, Jake Canfield, from another smart man, I think it was Ray Dalio or somebody, said always leave a little bit on the table. So basically what that means is you would buy just above support, okay? You're not trying to get the absolute bottom, but you would get somewhere close to the bottom, and then you would sell just before the resistance. So you would leave a little bit on the table up there, but you get the spread between the support and the resistance, and you can use that as a complete trading strategy so that you can make some money. Now, it's very simple. It really is that simple to take a look at support and resistance. So you can go and do this on pretty much any chart, and really after you do it on a whole bunch of charts, you'll start to get the idea of what support and resistance are, how you can use them best, and then like I said, some people use just support and resistance for their whole entire trading strategy. Like, for instance, all right? So if we were down here in June of 2018, okay, we saw some support. So the price was coming down, we saw some support, and then we see the price changing direction, all right, and going back up. where would we expect to see other resistance? Well, if we take a look previously, we have a little bit here, so there could be a line right there. We'll just put a line there for the sake of things, all right? But also we have right here, this is a big area. Now, one of the things that's helpful to determine whether there's going to be strong support or resistance is the volume. So taking a look down here, we have pretty high volume right there, as opposed to right here where there's not as high volume. But you could see these two areas here, we would likely, in this box right here, find some resistance. So if you're trading, what you could do, all right, you could set a buy order right around here at maybe 125,817 Satoshis. And then you could set a sell order right around here, just underneath what could be support at 133,752 Satoshis. You know, that'll give you a 5,000 Satoshi profit for, I don't know, what is that? That's 125th, 4% gains. Okay, that would give you 4% gains, not huge gains, but that's a little one, just to give you an idea of how this type of thing works. So, simple in a nutshell, supply and demand, support and resistance. And that is one of the most simple technical analysis strategies, but also one of the most powerful ones that people learn in the beginning, but they use all the way through their trading. Now, guys, if you are new to trading, if you do want to become a good trader, I would highly recommend Signal Profits. This is something that I've been using very profitably for the past 2 months. This is I would say the best signals group for cryptocurrency out there, period. By the number one trader in the world on TradingView, Jake Canfield. He's from I Love Crypto. All right. Basically, you sign up for this thing. You get daily trading signals every day. You can go ahead and put those trading signals in there. You put your buy orders, you put your sell orders, you put your stop losses, and then you kind of set it and forget it. Most trades are trading between 10 and 80% profits. Every once in a while, one hits a stop loss, but in the past 2 months, very few have hit their stop losses. Most of them have been getting a lot of big gains. I think in the past month, we've had about 5 to 7 of them that have gone over 70% profit. Some of them approaching 100% profit. So it is a very good thing. I highly recommend it. It's $7 for a 2-week trial. You can check it out. There is a link down in the description. Other than that, guys, if you do want to get the Crypto Love Daily Newsletter, go to crypto-love.com, enter your email there. You will join the newsletter where you'll enter to win a Ledger Nano S. You'll get the daily news, and soon there will be an option for an investing newsletter. So check that stuff out. I'll catch you guys later. Hope you enjoyed the episode, and peace.